Introducing PropBot Properties. In real estate, a property listing is more than a page with photos, a price, and an address. It is the starting point for everything that happens around a property. Whether it is rented, sold, booked, repaired, or managed, multiple people need to stay informed. Who shared the listing, updated the price, added new photos, viewed the property, scheduled a showing, booked it, or needs to take action next. But most property information is scattered. The listing is on one website. The agreement is in an email. The owner update is in a text. The photos are on someone's phone. The repair quote and showing notes are in other systems. That is how teams lose time, owners miss important updates, and valuable property history disappears. PropBot Properties gives every property one shared place to live, work, rent, sell, and grow. Owners, property managers, HOAs, co-owners, brokers, agents, investors, service providers, and approved team members can all work from the same property record. Listings, rental, sales, and booking status stay connected to the property, along with agreements, photos, documents, messages, visits, inquiries, repairs, invoices, and updates. For owners, that means better control. For property managers, cleaner communication. For HOAs, better visibility. For co-owners, fewer missing details. For brokers and agents, better listing activity. For service providers, work tracked with proof. For buyers, renters, and guests, a more organized and trustworthy property experience. The simple idea is this: one property, one shared record, one place to see what is happening. PropBot is built around the property record, so information does not disappear after a property is rented, booked, or sold. It stays connected to the people involved: agreements, work completed, photos, visits, messages, payments, and the property's history. That matters today when filling a vacancy, selling a home, managing repairs, or reporting activity to an owner. It also matters years from now when a spouse, co-owner, buyer, trustee, investor, manager, or board member needs a complete history of the property. No more chasing old emails. No more asking multiple people for updates. No more wondering which version is current.